Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video guys, I just want to take you through on how to use this particular website to get some airdrops. So I can see 13 people have registered, but they have not done the thing they are supposed to do. Okay, so for some of you who have registered, I know you are from the WhatsApp group. I'm going to share with you this video so that you can know what to do. So after registering, you'll be able to see add IBVM wallet and daily reward mini game. So you'll be able to see total IBM points. This is round 1, but actually we are in round 2, and very soon it's gonna end. The round 2 will end and they will start distributing the point, like the token. Okay, so if you're watching this video, make sure you join immediately. If you haven't joined, you watch the video until the end. You can see total users are 2 million.1. So all these 2 million people, they are not mad, they know what they want, right? And recently airdrops have made people rich. Like, my dear, if you haven't okay, you are new to all these things, then trust me, if you trust what I'm sharing or you follow all the instructions, then you're gonna make something out of it. It might take 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, but at the end of it, it's gonna be launched. There is this token that I took it for granted, but at least I grabbed some points, and right now they have been exchanged into that is Radai. So I managed to secure around 1,280 Radai, and the price is good. And soon they're gonna distribute it from tomorrow, 1st May. So they're gonna launch it, and we sell our airdrop. So that is how simple airdrops can be. So for the first time when you register, listen to me, you can see the progress, the task progress. You only have 7 tasks and all of them are simple. Task 1, after registering, to me, all these people you see have registered today. I shared the link today in the group around I think in the morning. It was in the morning in my country. So I shared the link and people registered, and I told them I'm gonna do a video guiding them on how to do everything. Okay, so this is the task. If you come to task section, you can see, if you retweet, if you click on that task, it will take you to where you're supposed to retweet, and the pinned tweet, they will take you there. Then they will reward you 30 IBMV. If you see they are giving small points, it means this token can do so well. So don't take it for granted. Another one, you're gonna comment on the pinned tweet and you like 5 recent tweets, and you see I've only done 2. So we are going to do that together. Let us do that together. You can see I visit 1. So these are the kind of tasks that you're gonna see, you're gonna do. Okay, they're so simple. So if you registered in the morning, you have not done any tasks, that is why they have said you are not active. Okay, make sure you follow the simple instructions and do the task. You can see, like this one, this is a tweet. I'm just going to like it. Like this one, I've already liked it, so I can like it again. Okay, so I'm coming back here. You can see already visited, right? Okay, so I'm going to the next one, visits. Okay, I'm gonna wait to see. I'm just going to like. You do as instructed. Okay, if you're told to like, just like, don't do other things. So I'm going to click on like that one. You can see, imagine sending Bitcoin without paying gas fee. So I think that is what this thing is all about. Then the task 3, I'm going to wait for it to bring for me Twitter. If you don't have Twitter account, please go create one. If you're new on my channel, make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and also watch the video until the end and join as early as you see the video. And again, join our WhatsApp group for more feature updates. Okay, and turn the notification bell. You can go through all these things. Okay, so guys, don't take these things for granted. Okay, you go for it, then you go back. You can see we are almost done. Only this is the 5th one. So you're gonna like it the same. So these are the tasks that you're gonna do. They are only 7, my dear, only 7. Then you wait for updates. Okay, so they're only 7. You're gonna like, then after that we're gonna go back. Okay, we have gone back, so you can see that task is done. You can see number 3, I've been awarded 50 IBMV. So I'm going to the next one, join Telegram group. I'm going to join to get the 40. So I'm gonna click on join. I don't know whether I'm audible. I don't want to make noise. My daughter is sleeping in the other room, so I don't want to make noise for her because she's so alert. So I'm trying to manage my voice. So you join here for more updates. I always advise you guys, anytime you're joining any website or any project, make sure you join their social media sites or channels in order to get updates on a daily basis, and make sure you turn the notification bell on their channel so that you'll be notified in case there is any update. So we're gonna go to the next one, log into your Twitter account. Okay, we're gonna log into my Twitter account. Steps to perform for Twitter login. Visit the website, this one, enter your Telegram ID. Please enter your IBVM wallet address, personal. If you link with the boot, click this. Okay, so here we need IBM wallet address. Okay, so this one, because I linked mine, so if you linked with the boot, click the submit button and review your details. If details are correct, click confirm. Final, press login with Twitter. Okay, so with the website, this one, enter your Telegram ID. Please enter your IBVM address. So this one task, we need the address first. So let me open App Store. So I'm going to so because of that task, guys, listen to me. We're gonna download, because I've not downloaded this. So the first time you're gonna register on the app through Telegram. Listen to me. After that, go download the app for us to perform that one. So if you're using Apple, go for this. If you're using this Android, go for this. Okay, so let us download the app first. Let us download the app first. My phone is so full, but I know it will have space for this one. I hope I'm audible, guys. If I'm not, then I don't know what I'm going to do. So guys, in order for us to get the address, we're gonna click on install. So this app, it has you can find it on Play Store, but only through that place. Okay, so let me go through the this IBVM. You can see, so we're gonna get this address when you download the app. Okay, so that is what we want. We're gonna get the address. Wow, so guys, don't miss this one. Wow, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a good opportunity here. Don't miss. Don't miss, guys. If you're watching this video, don't miss this thing. This is a free opportunity. Our app okay, our app is almost ready. Let us wait for it, then we open it so that we can get the address, so that we can go back to Telegram. We finish our 7 tasks together. Okay, so it is 100% done. So let us wait for it to install. My network might be slow, because anything that I'm sharing, don't take it for granted. It might take time, but you will thank me. And all of them, some people, they still even inbox me, ask me, share with me the legit ones. They are legit, only that some of them might take too much time. And most of people, they just want like faster money, this faster money. That is why most of us, we end up being scammed. Okay, so let us just try to be patient enough so that we can cook well, so when the food is ready, we can serve on our plates. So let us open it together. Let us open it together. Guys, I don't know whether my voice is kind of low, but I hope it's not that low. So you just stepped into the future. Wow, crypto in I love the interface. Vault unlocked. Your keys, your coins, your power. Continue. Guys, you can see connected to blockchain, decentralized, secure, borderless, just like it should be. Wow. Okay. So here, private and secure wallet to IBVM wallet. Okay. Create a new wallet already. So already we're gonna create a new wallet. Okay. Let me see something. Because we have the other one, no, we never created this. So let us go back. We create a new wallet. Okay. So let me create my password. Is here. See what you have been told. Your secret phrases. Write down or copy. You can copy them and put them in your phone book, or write them down so that you won't lose them, because you need them and they are secret. Put them safe. Don't share with anyone. Okay. Or click copy, then click continue. Okay. They're gonna write. After writing, they're gonna tell you like correct them, arrange them in the way they were arranged. So after arranging them, this is the first page gonna appear. That is going to appear on your screen. So guys, we needed this thing. We needed this address, right? So we're gonna copy it. Click on that copy thing.